Getting started with Todoist.
Todoist is a powerful task management tool designed to help you organize your to-dos efficiently. To begin, create a free account on the Todoist website or app. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the main dashboard, where you can view your task list, upcoming deadlines, and projects. Familiarizing yourself with the layout is the first step toward better productivity.
Creating your first tasks.
To add a task in Todoist, simply click or tap the Add Task button. Enter a description and, if you like, set a due date. You can prioritize tasks with priority flags and add labels for extra organization. Breaking your work into simple, actionable tasks makes your lists more manageable and keeps you focused.
Organizing with projects and sections.
The projects in Todoist let you group related tasks together, such as work, personal, or school projects. To stay even more organized, use sections within projects to sort tasks by category or stage. This structure makes it easier to find tasks and tackle them systematically for maximum productivity.
Using due dates, recurring tasks, and reminders.
Assigning due dates helps you stay on track and meet deadlines. For tasks that repeat, set them as recurring. For example, every Monday. You can also add reminders for important tasks, so nothing slips through the cracks. Utilizing these features ensures your list stays active and up to date.
Prioritizing and planning your day.
Todoist makes it easy to prioritize tasks with colored flags, helping you focus on what's most important. The Today and Upcoming views let you plan and review your tasks by deadline. By checking these daily, you can adjust your schedule and ensure you're always working on the right things at the right time.
Tips for maintaining an organized workflow.
Regularly review and update your tasks, projects, and priorities in Todoist. Archive or delete completed projects to keep your workspace tidy. Take advantage of integrations with calendars and other apps to streamline your workflow. Consistent use of Todoist's features will help you stay organized, productive, and in control of your daily tasks.